Hi, it's IdleTester from idletester.com here again, and this time we're going to be doing application challenge 4 from hackthisite.org. So let's open it up. We'll just run it, and we've got this little program here that every time we try to go over a particular mouse button or a particular window button, it doesn't let us click it. Okay, so we're going to have a wee look. I'm using P32-2D assembler, which is a Visual Basic assembler, because a lot of these programs are written in Visual Basic. If we then press F1 when we're in here, it brings us up with a list of the applications. Okay, we want application 4, don't we? So we open that up, it's done. Now we can see by this that it's a Visual Basic assembled. See, it's VBA. Okay, if we come up here to preferences and come down to procedures, it'll tell us the procedures that's been set up, and there we are. The ones that we're interested in is this mouse move. The button is the integer. In other words, what it's doing is every time you move the mouse, it'll jump from that one to this one. These two commands are backwards and forwards like a yo-yo. You can see it here. If we double click it, there it's there. It's form 1, which is this 1.3, and if we double click the other one, which is the form 1 again, which is 1.5, there's other commands between them, but that's what it's going to jump to. As soon as it jumps to that, then it'll go back up again to this one and backwards and forwards every time you put the mouse over it. What we want to do is bypass this. We want to bypass that because we don't want it to do that command. Okay, so what we want to do is bypass it to say here, which is the click command. And what that'll do is, as if when we put the mouse over the little window, instead of it actually moving us to here on this line here, it'll move us directly to here, which will then complete our task. So we don't need that anymore as long as we remember these addresses. So the ones we want is 004028110, which is that one, and the other one's this one here, 00402AD0. Right, so we can get rid of that. And we'll open up Ollie. We'll load in the file. Excuse me. And we want to go down to the address of 004028110, 00402. Oops, gone past it. Zero 0402. Gosh, too far up. Eight 10. There we go. Right, push EBP. That's saving the stack. Okay, and it's saving the stack in there, and then it's reducing the stack by 12, which is, that's what that is, subtract. Hexadecimal for 12 is 0C. It's 0A for 10, 0B for 11, 0C for 12, and so on up to 15 because it's 16 base. Okay, so in this one we want to tell it to jump instead of what it's doing, because normally it would be going to 0040298 D0. We want to jump past it. Jump to 00402 AD0. That puts it past it onto that other click command. Tell it to assemble it. Pull it down here and run it. There we go, it's run it. There it's there. And instead of it jumping, if we go over that, it comes up and says password is Daytona. And that's how you do how to cite application 4 with the password Daytona.